Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video I want to show you a very simple makeup routine. It is gonna be for summers and I will be doing a very quick tutorial, and I will not be using any foundations because these days I want to show you guys something which doesn't weigh your skin down and helps in making you look flawless throughout the day. So without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in. So I have already done my skincare, so make sure that you are prepping your base before doing any kind of makeup. So even in the summers guys, we can have dry skin. I have dry skin even in summers, and even if we have normal skin. So make sure, I always make sure that I apply some primer, and today I will be using this primer which is by Purple Beauty, and it is going to be their 24 karat gold primer. Next up guys is going to be concealer for sure, and because we will not be using any foundation in today's tutorial, so I will make sure that I line it everywhere I have a little bit of pigmentation or I need concealing or the scars. I usually do not have like scars on my face, but there is pigmentation for sure. So yes, I'm just gonna apply it all over, and this concealer works really nice for my skin. It helps in concealing the blemishes, the pigmentation. Also it helps in just highlighting my face. So the blending part is done. Now let's apply some loose powders to set this all up. So for setting up my face, I will be using this Purple Be Your Own BFF compact, and this is gonna be in the shade Beige Self-Care. It comes in this very beautiful sturdy packaging. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and apply it under my eyes. It also helps in providing a good coverage to your face. So if you want to set your whole face, you can surely do that. So yes, just to show you guys how beautiful the coverage is. It is such a matte velvety finish it is gonna give you. Just dusting off the extra. Next up, let's add some colors, and we are going to be moving on to blush, and I will be using this purple matte blush palette, and it has some beautiful amazing shades with this pinkish shade. So I'll just take this same brush and I'm just gonna apply it all over my cheeks. So before moving on to lips guys, I will not be forgetting the highlighter, and today I will be using this Purple Sparkle Lightweight Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Bronze, and immediately you'll be able to see the face having beautiful glow. After that, let's move on to lips, and firstly let me line my lips. So for this I will be using this Maybelline lip pencil, and believe me, this is the only lip pencil I have. It works just fine for me. So for the lipstick, I'll be using this Purple Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is gonna be in the shade 14 Cherry Kiss. So this is gonna be a very beautiful mauvish pink kind of a shade. I'm gonna apply it all over my lips. The pigmentation is bomb guys, and also the applicator, it's very precise. Isn't the shade beautiful guys? I thought that this is gonna be darker, but this is gonna be perfect for this summer season. It is pinkish kind of a nude shade, and this is, again I'll be telling you the color. If you want to get your hands on this, it's very affordable, very lightweight, very long lasting, so you can definitely check this out. So to do my eyes, I'll not be using any color because I want this makeup tutorial to be really quick and very easy to do. So but to add the little glitter to the eyes, I will be using this Purple Crescent eyeshadow palette, and I'll be taking this lightest glittery shade. I'm gonna apply it all over my lids. I will be just using my finger to do it. I have already set my concealer on the upper eyelid. So guys, the eyeshadow is done. I'm not going to be applying any more color over it. The shimmer eyeshadow is just going to do wonders for me. After that, I'm going to be taking this kajal again from Purple, and this is going to be their Winking Together kajal. I'm going to be applying it on the upper lid, and then we'll smudge it out. And just do it very randomly because anyways we need to smudge it out. So I've done a very poor job at it. let's just do it, okay? Lovely, guys. The pigmentation of kajal is amazing. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye as well. So now I will be curling my lashes. So I just do this thing. I'll take all the lashes and I'll do this for at least 15 seconds. And today I will be using this purple mascara, and let's see how this is gonna be. I just want to show you guys the difference in the lashes. Can you have a look how beautifully this mascara has curled the lashes and provided the right volume. And now we are gonna do the same thing on the other lash as well. So here we are done, guys. So guys, this was all for this video. I'll make sure that I give the product links in the description box below, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care, bye bye.